Karina, ma, please,
Madam.
ma, please, ma, sorry, ma, Karina, please, leave her face, leave her. I don't know what to do. What did you put inside the salad? Now she's in pain.
Oh my God, madam.
Why are you not crying now? You should look for a solution. You're crying. What's the solution? I don't understand. Ma, please, ma, please.
Madam.
I don't understand. What is going on?
No, I just gave her the...
You make the food. Just you put something
We need to call
inside.
someone, madam. We need to call someone.
We need to go.
Sebastian is not
What
around.
if they came now? There's something happened to her. You'll be in trouble.
No.
You know? Do you know that?
No.
That you'll be in trouble. Now you, ma, please. I don't know. I don't know what to do. We cannot call emergency because what if something happened? What if something? Why are you crying now? Do something. Just maybe bring something. You're crying.
Madam.
Ma.
Call someone now. Oh my
You
God.
cannot even call somebody. I don't even know what you have to go
Oh
for.
my God.
Instead of you crying, instead of you.
Sebastian. Call Sebastian.
It's not, I don't even understand. I don't know what to say. I'm just, Karina, I think you should bring water, something. Just get something. Sorry, ma.
Madam.
She doesn't even need water. So how can you, what is coming out from her mouth? We don't need, she first. I don't even know. I don't know what to do. Why are you crying?
No,
Give us something. That means you put something inside the food.
No.
You put something inside the food. And now we should call the help. We should call the I don't know which emergency we can call
No,
her.
just give her
If
something.
something happens, you are in trouble, Karina.
No.
You go to jail. Please, ma. I don't know what I do to you.
This is a happy prank. Karina, sorry.
It was a prank.
Sorry. It was a prank, sorry. This guy can have me like stone. You won't cause my belly to too. What if you that? Sorry, Karina, sorry.
Sorry.
Karina, sorry. It's okay, sorry. Don't say madam.